Class, please all stand up for a prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Spirit, Amen. Good morning, class. How are you this morning? I'm fine, thank you. And now, take your seat now. Okay, everybody, go back to your chair so that I will know who is absent for this morning. Very good. Everybody is present. Before we proceed to our lesson this morning, let's first have our review. What was our topic last meeting? Very good. Now, class, give the example of what is the missing number in equation. 7 plus equals 16. Very good, Jessa, because 7 plus 9 equals 16. Another one, what is the missing number in equation of 7 times equals 0? Very good. I'm so happy that you remember